Hello and welcome back to the channel.
Little Tin Robot.
In today's episode, we're going to be taking a look at an educational app perfect for parents and kids to learn together. Table Teacher Kit is a comprehensive learning app designed to be a customizable learning tool for children. The app is developed by Little Tin Robot, the same developers who have brought us other educational apps like Goodness Shapes and Disney Buddies ABCs. With Table Teacher Kit, parents can learn together with their children by putting together lessons around alphabets, numbers, and shapes. By offering a kit of elements, parents can either make their own learning activities or choose from available templates. Let's have a look at Table Teacher Kit and stay tuned to the end of the video for our overview of the app.
A B K C J S D M D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y Z. Way to go! You did it! D O G D O G D O O G H A T T A H J A M. One, 16, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 11, 12, 19, 18, 16, 17, 20, 14, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 18, 19, 20. Great job! You did it! Eight, 3, 5, 6, 9, 2, 1, 4, 10. 3, 1, 4, 3, 1, 4, 8, 2, 10. Quatrefoil. Square. Rectangle. Oval. Octagon. Pentagon. Circle. Heart. Hexagon. Crescent. Crescent. Star. Crescent. Trapezoid. Triangle. Semicircle. Curvilinear triangle. Octagon. Diamond. Great job! You did it! Wagon. Umbrella. Car. Violin. Sock. Car. Top. Yo-yo. Egg. Net. Net. Xylophone. Apple. Jar. Duck. Light bulb. Igloo. Milk. Zebra. Hat. Ball. Quarter. Kite. Gear. Flower. Peanut. Octopus. Xylophone. Ring. Sock. Jar. Apple. Ball. Car. duck, egg, flower, gear, hat, igloo, jar, kite, light bulb, milk, net, octopus, peanut, quarter, ring, sock, top, umbrella, violin, wagon, xylophone, yo-yo, zebra, apple, apple. Great job, you did it! $100, $100, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Quarter, dime, penny, nickel. Circle, 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 circle. $130, $9, $80, $7, $6, $40, $20. $20, $150, $20, $70. U, D, A, B, C, D.
We hope you find Table Teacher Kit useful. We think Table Teacher Kit is a very unique app, and we don't find many apps that offer an open sandbox approach to learning. Think of the app as a virtual magnetic board with all the elements you need from numbers to shapes to counting blocks. This gives parents endless possibilities on the types of activities they can engage with your kids. For the price, the developer Little 10 Robot has provided a value for money app that offers basic math, counting, spelling, upper and lowercase letters, shape recognition, and matching, which we think make this app a must-have for families with little early learners. We hope you enjoyed our review of Table Teacher Kit by Little 10 Robot. If you would like to purchase the app, the links are available in our description. Do give us a like and remember to subscribe. We'll see you in our next video. Goodbye.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.